All right, what's up, guys? So I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. I ended up taking one trade on NQ today. As you can see, I ended up making around $300 in 11 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just over $3,000 profit on the day. Now, if you guys don't know already, I trade live Monday through Friday inside my private group. I was able to take this trade live on that call this morning. So let's go and roll the replay from the live trade I took this morning.
All right, good morning, guys. Happy Monday. And we are tearing up on the open here. Wow. All right, just getting everything set up. All right, so pretty obvious. Looking for longs above VWAP. Obviously, we had a huge sell off overnight. I mean, massive sell off. We are starting to bounce a little bit off of that. And we just broke above a old support. It originally turned into new resistance. Now we're getting above it for it to potentially act as support again. If it does and we see buyers off of it, I want to take longs in this area before any sort of resistance up here, or we get too overbought. So this would be the ideal area for longs. Shorts, obviously we could sell back off to lows again, do it somewhere right here when we break this low. So we'll see what happens here. Yeah, pulling back right here. So we could get a potential setup. The RMAC is below. It does get screwed up when we get heavy buying off the rib. Okay, let's see how this next candle closes. Okay, I'm hopping in here. Stops around 277. Target's 39. All right, nice little push up. See if we can sustain it. Can't seem to hold any buying. All right, retesting. Moving my stop up to 293. All right, there's the fill. We are done. Let's go.
Okay, so just to break down the market, what we're currently doing, my thought process a little bit more. So as you can see, we obviously had a huge sell-off overnight, and I originally put inside my trading plan. So if you go inside my Discord group, there's a link in the description. This is free to join. Go over to trading plan. You can see my plan for NQ was down here today. Okay, currently in bearish rotation to test support levels. I'm interested in long setups if we get above VWAP area. Interested in shorts if we hold below 21,165. Okay, so this is what it looked like when the market actually opened. So going back here, as you can see, these two yellow boxes is basically where I want to trade. I want to go short down here, right? Once we break this 21,160 area. So this is ideal shorts under this support from the open. And then longs, I want to wait till we get a little bit above VWAP, which is up in this area. As you can see, these levels pretty much worked perfectly. We got to the top of the box. Now we're selling off. Now we're in my no trade zone, okay? So I only want to trade in the gold boxes, long or short. So that's pretty much what I was waiting for this morning. So if we go into the 30-second time frame where I like to trade at, as you can see, this is the trade I end up taking. So basically went long right here. I had my stop right below the lows, and then I usually just go for that 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So this is essentially what my trade looked like. And, again, the way I trade is I'm looking for an imbalance in the market and to follow my trading plan. Okay, so my trading plan is pretty easy because I just know if we're in the gold box, I can go long. All right, cool. Now I want to make sure there's an imbalance. Well, obviously, if I'm going long, I want to make sure there's an imbalance of buyers. Buyers have the edge in the market. All right, as you can see, we can see that with our bare eyes, right? Big move up, light pullback, big move up, light pullback, big move up, light pullback, another move up, right? This is the trade I actually took because we're in our gold zone. So if there's big moves up and light pullbacks, what does that show? It shows buyers are in control. Another way I can confirm that is with the DMI indicator down here. If these lines are spread apart, they're not chopping together. Like this green line represents buyers, red line represents sellers. If these are spread apart, that confirms that there's an imbalance on the buyer side, right? Because the buyer's on top. And now, once they get into this, like you can see, it's very choppy right here during pre-market. If we zoom into this, right, we can see these are very choppy. They're moving in and out of each other. That shows the market's more balanced. So the DMI just confirms the imbalance between buyers and sellers, which I want to see. Waited for a light pullback. We closed in our zone. So I was able to get the A-OK to go long. And that's exactly what I did. And that was a trade. Simple as that. There are some more setups. We got a pullback. We got another imbalance of buyers coming in. As you can see, got crossed up here. Starting to spread again. We got some light pullbacks, big move up, light pullback, big move up. So there's multiple good setups today in this imbalanced area. And then same thing on the sell side, right? Obviously, if I want to follow my trading plan, which I should always do, I want to wait till we get into that 21,165 or in our gold zone. Okay, so if I want to go short today, I would still have to wait until we break this opening support. Just because the market structure is a little bit more biased to the upside if we're still holding this support level. So anyways, that was my trade. As far as the overall market, what we're looking at, if we go to an hourly time frame, again, we're kind of just in this consolidation zone. We're at the bottom of this consolidation zone. If we break through this today or tomorrow, we could see a test back into this 20,000 area, this big support down here. Or we could bounce off of this and, maybe start to rip up to new highs again. So we'll see what happened. Obviously, we had a big sell-off overnight. So we'll see what the rest of the week looks like. But anyways, guys, that's how I end up making the $300 in 11 of my PA Apex accounts today. Real quick before you guys go, I want to let you know that my bootcamp officially opened today. So you guys can get started and enrolled if you guys want to join us on the upcoming February trading bootcamp. It's going to be live. I'm going to be trading live every day. We're going to be doing trainings like live Zoom classes twice per week for the whole month of February. It's going to be awesome. So anyways, if you're interested in joining, I'm looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader inside this 30-day live bootcamp for the month of February. Inside this, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades. And like I said, I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Friday. So if you guys are interested in joining this, again, looking for a few more motivated people, we only have a certain number of spots available and it'll probably fill up pretty quickly. It closes Sunday night, so it's open for around a week or until the spots are filled up. So anyways, if you're interested, all you have to do is go to the first link in the description below this video. It'll take you to my Instagram account. Just message me or DM me the word trading on my Instagram account, and I'll send you all the details. I just have a few questions to make sure you'd be a good fit to join us inside of it. Other than that, I'll send you all the details from there. So anyways, looking forward to that over the next month. With that being said, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning for another trading session at Market Open, and I'm looking forward to the rest of this week.